what's going on, guys. So I bought a new tiller and I just got it in, and of course it is going to require some assembly. I want to go ahead and actually take it out of the box and kind of show you what it has. This is the Sunjoe electric tiller and cultivator. That's right, electric. I don't have to worry about gas or parts or anything like that. So let me take it out of the box and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we've gone ahead and taken it out of the box and we've assembled it, and it was actually extremely simple to assemble. It only had 3 different parts, which was basically the engine, this center bar here, and then the top handles. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to put these two together, go ahead and put your screws with these little locking turn knobs or nuts or whatever you want to call them. Do the same thing here, and then we had 2 clips, which the instructions only showed 1, but we had 2 cable clips, and so we used both of them on this side just to make sure that the wire doesn't get in the way whatsoever. The other thing I want to go ahead and tell you is that it does have an extremely easy to move base here for the wheels. So this here in this particular position, you can see where it's all the way there on the last setting. This is to actually transport it to wherever you're trying to take it. You basically go ahead and you pull this, you move it into a working position, and then of course if you're wanting to move it into the other working position, you basically just pull it just like that. So super easy to maneuver, not any like electrical parts here or anything like that, just lots of just mechanical. So let's take it out to the garden and let's go ahead and get it started. Okay, so this is us using the actual tiller. I've kind of already done some spots, but my husband's gonna go ahead and try it out. And you can see that it's not very loud. The cord doesn't really get in the way either, because as long as you actually follow a good pattern, you're not really gonna get it in the way. So I think this thing is fantastic. I'm super excited about it. I don't have to worry about a bunch of, 2-cycle gasoline. I don't have to worry about a pull string breaking on me, anything like that. Literally plug it in and get moving.
That's awesome.
It's awesome. Okay, so there's 2 safety features I want to talk about really quick. The first one is there is a clip actually designed onto the machine for your electrical cord to go ahead and sit into, so that way your wires aren't hanging everywhere. Second thing is that in order to actually operate this button, you are unable to actually push this button unless you push this one in first and then this button, and then it'll actually go ahead and operate. So you don't have to worry about any of your kiddos coming over and actually just pushing this and then it taking off on you. They literally have to push in this first button and then push this button. So anyway, 2 safety features. I think those are fantastic. I absolutely love this thing. I think it's great. Guys, thanks for watching. If you felt the video was helpful, please hit on below so that other people will know to watch this video.